Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to recover all the past deleted data from any social media application if you are a iOS device consumer and by accidentally if you have deleted or damaged your social media data. Now you are incentivized to recover it once again. Either it is WhatsApp call history, contact, WeChat, or any other social media's histories. For example, of the Safari history, if you would like to have, if you would like to have any Chrome browser history spontaneously, contact that you have deleted from your iOS device, how you will recover. Let's see one by one. So for all the things guys, you will have to firstly install the software that is iPhone debug. See here, simply you have to select after installing this Windows and iOS version, both Windows and Mac, sorry, both version is available on our official website, so you can directly go there to download it. And download link also I have given below the description box directly. If you would like to download it, of course you can. So now I will select this smart recovery and I will go for start, and simply I will select this one, that is lost and deleted data by accident, and I will go for start. Now I will go for simply next. Whatever you are doing guys, executing this procedure to recover, you have to online your computer or PC that should be online, connected with internet with good speeds. Now see guys, here you will have all the social medias link that you have installed in your iOS device. Now which one you would like to recover? If you would like to recover all, simply you have to click on select all. Separately, one by one you would like to recover, then of course you can have. For example, WhatsApp data that I have deleted, I would like to recover once again by using of these tools. Let's see how accuracy there is giving data to us once again. Just after selection this, just I am going to click on scan now. So now it has started to prepare. So guys, don't worry, it's totally dependent what is the size of data on your iOS device. So the scanning time may be longer or not longer also. It's totally dependent on your device that how much data is data was available. So let's see, I will watch till the completion, otherwise you will have the problem to recover this all the data, because as we know that after analyzing all the data, where you will save it so that you would like to have once again that data, of course you can have. That's why. So it has started to analyze all the data that is available. So let's see. Almost 27% is done. So let's see. See guys, actually I have selected only one application data, that is WhatsApp. If you selected all, then might be scanning time longer. So it's not matter of anxiety, just simply I assure you 100% you will be able to recover all the past deleted data either it has damaged by accidentally or intentionally you have damaged. Now you would like to recover it according to your the requirement. So of course this is a tool that will give you good efficient recover all the data that is or was available on your iOS device. So 50% is I have completed. Let's see it's going to recover or not. With live I would like to show you, or otherwise of course you may suspect that it's working or not. 70% is I have completed now. Almost 80% is guys. So of course it can take now less than 2-3 minutes. So let's see. Almost I have done guys now. So furthermore, what are the steps I will show you that how you will save your data after recovering from any social media's applications. So 98% is done. Now I have completed almost. Here's one message that is saying that only 1 second left. Now see guys here, it has started to analyze your iOS data and it will take some time. So now see guys here, 50 especially WhatsApp data that I have achieved now. So it has still scanning. So let's see. Along with chat also you will be able to recover it. So still it's scanning. So I will have to wait. 50% is once again I have completed to scan all the data. Now see guys, when the scan will be complete, then I will be able to recover it by clicking here. So let's wait till the complete of this whole procedure. Now see guys, I have completed. So WhatsApp attachment 224, all the data that I have recovered now. So where I would like to save it, so simply just I will go for recover. It's asking that choose your file format and where you would like to save it. So what I will do guys, simply I will click on a browser and I will go for desktop. So this is my desktop. Now I will select this folder and in what format file you would like to have. So of course you have a two option. One is a XLS and second is your HTML. So let's save it in a file format of HTML and I will go for recover it. So guys, now see, all the data is recovered now very well here. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. My motive, that's how you will recover your past deleted data from any social medias. Either it has rendered by mistakenly or accidentally. It's not a matter of anxiety. You will be able to recover it once again by using of none other than tools, that is iPhone debuggs. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great time.